was a rotten one. Shall I fart again? Shall I fart again?
I'll be right back. Behave well done. What are you, good girl? You enjoy jello? You eat jello? Yummy, yummy. What's the lunch? Yummy. Apple. Vodka. Raspberries. Raspberries. Spinach. I'll be right back. Feed the zoo. Feed the zoo. I'm a chicken. I'm a dog. Alexa. Bark. Alexa. What are you jumping? I'm a Jew. Alexa. Hello? Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. You're gonna go through your wording. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Rex. Back to go rubbing. 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 Brilliant. You calm here. Brilliant. Rubbing. Rubbing. Back to rubbing. Get back to work. Get back to work. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I can be right back. Will you behave well done? Or people. Or people. Alexa, what's the parrot? Alexa, bark.
Parrots are birds that have a strong curved beak, an upright stance, and clawed feet. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions and are classified in 4 families, namely the Psittaciidae, Psittacidae, Cacachuidae, and Strigopidae. These birds are known for their talking ability and are widely kept as pets. By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
Brilliant. Brilliant. You're calling the dogs. Oh, wait. Thank you. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. Puppies. Puppies. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I love you. I love you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go to vodka. Right. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.